Okay, let's see what all the commotion is about. Downtown Atlanta. I haven't even turned the TV on since I've been home from church. It's a lot of commotion. Wow, they got traffic. Traffic heading in the same direction in 4 lanes. That's pretty cool, actually. So there's, by the sound of it, it sounds like Falcons won the game. So those folks are going somewhere else to another event. These folks have been to the Dome. There's the Dome, and then the cranes are the new $1.6 billion dome, retractable dome, and then these people are trying to get out of Dodge here. These people look like they are on the losing team. So Atlanta's always got, if you're living downtown like I am, got a lot of entertainment value. These look like dejected fans. See what happens here. People over here tailgating. I'm glad I'm not in that mess. I can just watch it from up here on the 4th floor of the giant loft. Wow. What can you say? Just open up your window when you live where I live and just be entertained. I don't even have the TV on, so by the yelling and whatnot, I'm assuming that the Falcons won, so we'll see. Look at the traffic. I'm glad I'm not in that. No way, heading to the sunset. It's a beautiful sunset today. It's cool and all. There they go. Finally got through the light. Like cattle. I don't think I've ever seen the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes all in one direction. That's kind of neat. And these people, I don't know why they're going in. It must be another event, or they're just getting clogged up with everything else. Downtown Atlanta, there's the Ferris wheel. College Football Hall of Fame right over there. Martin Luther King Civil Liberties Museum, World of Coca-Cola, Aquarium. Send me your view from your window. Talk to you soon. God bless everybody. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.